Hi, this is Tom Holmquist with Mills Ford Chrysler of Willmar. We're looking at a 2006 Chevy 1500 regular cab 4x4, white in color. This is a local trade, just came in the other day. Local businessman had it. Very nice looking truck. Again, white in color. Got the nice tow hooks in front. It's got your 4.8 V8 Vortec motor. Got your manual crank up windows. AM FM. Air. It's got a split bench. Manual 4x4. Has a topper on it. It's got the painted steel wheels. Looks nice and straight. Again, stock number 3F130316A. The trailer hitch on the back. Got some bins in there. And this truck is located now at Mills Ford Chrysler of Willmar. Our sales manager spent a lot of time checking the market to make sure we're going to give you the most value for your money. And the Mills Automotive Group tries to keep around 400 vehicles used on hand. Very nice looking truck. My name again was Tom Holmquist. If I can be any assistance, please give us a call here or look for other vehicles at www.millsauto.com. We got 5 locations to choose from. Give us a call. Thank you.